Hello guys, today I will show you how to find and manage subscriptions on your Android device. Just follow these steps. So firstly open the Google app and then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and then go to the Google account. And here scroll to the right just to the Payments and Subscriptions tab. And then scroll down to the Subscriptions tab. So now you have found all of these subscriptions on your Android device. And to view subscription details such as when it was purchased or how much it costs, just tap on the subscription you're interested in, and from here you can cancel or modify the subscription if possible. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Leave a like, subscribe for more tips, and thank you for watching.